solve any equation involving e, we're going to use the natural logarithm. The natural logarithm is abbreviated as an ln, and it is actually the same thing as the log with a base of e and anything behind it. So its base is e, and remember that e is approximately 2.718. But you'll notice that ln is a button on your calculator. It is the logarithm of base e. Alright, so the natural log we're going to use, but before we can use it, we need to know a couple of things. First of all, anytime we put the natural log and e together, and e has an exponent, the natural log and e undo one another, and we get just that exponent, x. Alright, so we're going to put these together, and we're going to get rid of the e that way. However, before we can do that, we have to have e completely without anything in front of it in order to be able to apply the natural log. So the first thing we're going to do is divide by 3 and get it out of there. And we'll have e to the 4x minus 1 equals 4. Alright, now that e is by itself, we apply the natural log, and it always goes in front. On the left side, the property, natural log and e, cancel one another out, and we get 4x minus 1, the exponent. Alright, now, on your calculator, we can now figure out what the natural log of 4 is, this thing on the right. So if you'll hit your ln button on your calculator, and then you'll enter the 4, it should give you 1.3863 if I round it off to 4 decimal places. Alright, now let's finish solving for x. Let's add 1 to both sides. Don't forget your decimal with 1 is right there. So we're going to have 4x equals 2.3863. And then I will divide out the 4. And we'll get x is approximately 2.3863 divided by 4. If I round it to 2 decimal places, is 0.35.